Welcome back, fellow explorers, to another exciting episode of Adventure Scope. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the bustling streets of New York City, uncovering hidden gems that often go unnoticed amidst the city's iconic landmarks. So, grab your cameras and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Our first hidden gem takes us to the enchanting High Line. This elevated park, built on a historic freight rail line, offers a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. As you walk along this green oasis, you'll be greeted by stunning views of the city skyline. The High Line is adorned with beautiful gardens, captivating art installations, and even delightful food vendors. It's the perfect spot to relax and immerse yourself in nature's embrace. Now, let's venture to the vibrant Lower East Side and explore the Tenement Museum. Take a step back in time as you enter restored apartments that once housed immigrants seeking a better life. The museum beautifully captures the stories of these resilient individuals, who played a significant role in shaping the city we know today. Take a walk in their footsteps and gain a deeper understanding of the immigrant experience that shaped the cultural fabric of New York City. Our next hidden gem takes us to the heart of Queens, where we discover Flushing Meadows Corona Park. This expansive park is home to the iconic Unisphere, a symbol of the 1964 World's Fair. Take a leisurely stroll around the park's picturesque lakes, have a delightful picnic, or catch an exhilarating game at the nearby Arthur Ashe Stadium. Flushing Meadows Corona Park is a hidden oasis just waiting to be explored. Ready to delve into something extraordinary? Let's head over to Brooklyn and uncover the City Reliquary. This unique museum captures the eclectic history of New York City through a captivating collection of artifacts. From vintage subway tokens to obscure souvenirs, the City Reliquary is a treasure trove that offers a glimpse into the city's rich past. You'll be amazed by the quirky exhibits that truly capture the essence of the Big Apple. Our final hidden gem takes us to the vibrant neighborhood of Harlem. Explore the historic Strivers Row, a picturesque block of townhouses dating back to the early 20th century. Marvel at the architectural beauty and imagine the cultural and artistic legacy that was born within these walls. Strivers Row is a testament to the rich history and vibrant spirit of Harlem, an essential part of New York City's cultural tapestry. As our adventure draws to a close, we hope that you've been inspired to explore beyond the famous landmarks and discover the hidden treasures of the Big Apple. Remember, New York City has countless secrets waiting to be unveiled. So grab a map, embrace your curiosity, and embark on your own journey to uncover the hidden gems that make this city truly special. But wait, we've got a few more surprises for you. As a bonus, let's uncover a few extra hidden gems of New York City. Have you ever heard of the Whispering Gallery? Located in the Grand Central Terminal, this architectural marvel boasts an acoustic phenomenon that allows whispers to travel across its curved walls. It's a fascinating and unexpected experience that will leave you amazed. Next, we've got the Elevated Acre, a hidden rooftop oasis nestled in the financial district. Escape the bustling streets below and find tranquility among lush greenery and stunning views of the city skyline. It's the perfect spot to relax and recharge amidst the urban jungle. As you wander the streets of New York City, make sure to keep an eye out for hidden memorials, such as the Smallpox Hospital on Roosevelt Island. These forgotten remnants of history offer a glimpse into the city's past and the stories of those who came before us. And now, let's head on over to Water Street Rooftop, a hidden gem where you can marvel at the breathtaking views of the Brooklyn Bridge and the East River. It's an ideal spot to capture stunning photographs and soak in the beauty of the city. Our next stop takes us to the ruins of the old City Hall subway stop. Hidden beneath the streets of Manhattan, this abandoned station showcases the stunning architecture and tile work of the past. It's a fascinating glimpse into New York City's transit history. Did you know that Rockefeller Center hides secret gardens? Nestled within this bustling complex, you can discover tranquil green spaces with beautiful sculptures and hidden corners to escape the crowds. It's a peaceful retreat in the heart of the city. Lastly, keep an eye out for a piece of the Berlin Wall located in Midtown Manhattan. This powerful symbol of freedom and unity is a reminder of the city's historical significance and its enduring spirit. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, a comprehensive guide to the hidden gems of New York City. We hope this video has inspired you to go off the beaten path and explore the lesser-known treasures that await you. Remember, the adventure doesn't end here. New York City is full of surprises, and it's up to you to uncover them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, Adventure Scope, for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy exploring!